Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80072EE2 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection. Search for fast.com and hit enter, and this will open fast.com, and it will show you the internet connection speed. If it's good enough, then proceed to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The last solution will be to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. Okay, all you need to do is copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.